Sabrina. Laws of nature. It assumes that law, rights, and ethics are based on universal moral principles inherent in nature and discoverable through the human reason. Rev. Martin Luther King Jr., excerpt from his letter from the Birmingham jail, April 16, 1963. There are two types of laws, just and unjust laws. A just law is a man-made code that squares with the moral law. An unjust law is a code that is out of harmony with the moral law. An unjust law is a human law that is not rooted in eternal and natural law. Business comprises all profit-seeking activities and enterprises that provide goods and services necessary to an economic system. Law refers to the principles and regulations established by a government, applicable to people and enforced by police and judicial decision. Objectives of business law: to enable enforcement of rights, to facilitate industrial growth, to achieve social justice, to define the rules. Requirements of effective business law: rules must be obeyed voluntarily. Rules must be just and reasonable. Rules must be flexible. Rules must be knowable. Business law is that portion of the legal system which guarantees an orderly conduct of business affairs and the settlement of legitimate disputes in a just manner. It establishes a set of rules and prescribes conduct in order to avoid misunderstandings and injury in our business relationships. Sam. What is business law? Includes all the laws that dictate how to form and run a business. Corporate law. This includes all the law that dictate how to start, buy, manage, and close or sell any type of business. Corporate law. Bankruptcy law. It establishes the rules that all business should follow. Corporate law, specific laws to their business. Ex banking law. Any good business person will be knowledgeable in business law and know when they need to hire a lawyer. Includes laws at all levels: city, state, province, federal, administrative laws, regulations, municipal laws. Nina. HAT is included under the umbrella of business law. 1. The different types of entities that exist and how to form and run each type. This includes corporations, partnerships, limited liability companies, and many more entities. We will start with an example. I decide to start a pet grooming business. Will I create a partnership, a sole proprietorship, or a corporation? My decision will affect how I pay my taxes, documents I need to file to start it and to maintain it. This falls under company law or business entities law. 2. Next, what will my business be called? Barks. Licks. I need to know if anyone else already has that name. This is a trademark question. Patents, copyrights, and trademarks are part of intellectual property law. 3. Do I require any special type of license for this? Can I have animals on the premises? Do I need a permit, authorization, etc.? I will have to check local, city, town, state laws at a next class. Bye.